Bug-Eye Impreza, because Lancer Evo prices are too damn high, and because every other Impreza prices are also too damn high. Also known as the second gen Impreza, the Bug-Eye, a nickname as it later became known, only lasted from 2001 to mid 2003. That's right, the Bug-Eye look was hated so much, literally 2.5 years later, Subaru redesigned the front end due to horrible lack of sales with early pre-facelift models. Now, looking back with hindsight, the Bug-Eye look was destined to fail from the beginning. I mean, would you just look at the masterpiece this thing had to replace? If you ask me, those are some big-ass rally wheels it had to fill. Now, you see, I'm the type of guy who really gets a kick out of irony, and the Bug-Eye Impreza WRX is the definition of such a word. It's ironic that a car that sold so poorly when first introduced, it was only made for 2.5 years, and now almost 20 years later, it's one of the most affordable entry-level Imprezas in the market today. Not only that, but its low production count due to the later added facelift actually makes it pretty rare too. The Bug-Eye WRX Impreza is by far one of the better made Subies of the last 2 decades. I shit you not. Just take a look at the simplicity of this car. No crazy body kits, no giant wings, a hood scoop. That gasp was actually functional, and here's the best part, it was actually reliable. Yeah, that's right. Ask any true Impreza enthusiast and they'll tell you the 2.0 turbo, although a slouch compared to the later 2.5 equipped models, has one advantage over its bigger displaced brothers, and that's reliability. Now, when I say slouch, don't get it twisted. The 2.0 turbo horizontally opposed 4-cylinder that came in the Bug-Eye WRX has made 230 horsepower and 217 pound-feet of torque. Combine that with continuous all-wheel drive and a 5-speed manual, and you get a 0 to 60 time of 5.5 seconds. Dude, that's just as fast as a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi-powered Dodge Charger. But wait, there's more. Bug-Eye WRX prices are now at an all-time low, finally making it under the $5,000 mark, usually averaging out between $3,500 and $4,000 for a decent one. And for that price, you can have a 4-door, low insurance, spacious, fuel-efficient, 5-speed manual, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, low-maintenance rally god, and still have enough money to throw in that big-ass STI wing that you know you're gonna install anyways, because big wangs is life. Bug-Eye Subaru Impreza WRX. Drive it in the snow, drive it in the gravel, drive it to the grocery store. Let those bigger 2.5 liter guys laugh at you. In the end, you'll have the last laugh as you drive past them while they're pulled over on the side of the road with a blown head gasket.